Hello dear students of PDSE. We are giving you different opportunities to speak English. So this one is nice opportunity for you. Tell English jokes. Here is a demo. Hello, I am Chandrasekhar Phutke from Bid district learning in PDSE. I am presenting a joke. Please listen carefully. Once there was a family of a mouse. You know very well that mouse always afraid to cat. So in front of that mouse family, one day a big cat came. Then what happened? That father mouse jumped in front of that big cat and he said, "Bow wow!" And that cat ran away. The children asked to Father Mouse, "Father, what was that?" Father said, "It was second language that I learned." See how useful is the second language. That's why learn the second language. Okay, bye.
Prathame Santosh Gondawale. I am in a 7th standard. My district is Solapur. I am presenting an English joke. Please listen carefully. Two donkeys are standing on the roadside. So, shall we cross? No way. Look what happened with zebras. Thank you.
Hello, I am Arya Nitin from BID. I am learning on PDSC group. I am presenting a joke. Please listen. Two cows standing in the field. One cow said to the another, "Are you worried about mad cow disease?" Another say, "No, it does not worry me. I am a horse."
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Tejas Naneshwar Zamri. I am here to tell you a joke. The joke is about engineering students. Listen and enjoy the joke. Once there was a team of professors sitting in the aeroplane. There was one announcement. Dear passengers, may I have your attention please? The plane is made by your students. Then all the passengers stood up, ran and get out of the plane. But one passenger was sitting in plane. Tell me, who was he? Don't know? Wait, I will tell. He was principal. One man came and asked, "Are you not afraid?" Then principal said, I know my students very well. If the students have made plane, then plane will not even start. Ha ha ha. That's it. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. I am Pooja Sanjay Munde. Now I am telling you a joke. The joke is the teacher and the student. The teacher said, "Why are you late today?" The student said, "Because the sign down the road." The teacher said, "What does the sign have to do with your being late?" The student said, "A sign said, 'School ahead, go slow.'" Thank you.
My name is Srishti Gharge. I am from district Solapur. Now I am presenting a joke. When a son asks father, "Why telephone wires so high?" Father says, "So that anyone would dry his clothes on him."
My name is Sneha Anil Gavai and today I tell you a joke. Son said, "Dad, I am going out." Dad said, "Are you telling me or asking me permission?" Son said, "I am asking you for money." Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. Myself Shravani Kapile and I am in 8th standard from Rani Lakshmibai School, Yavatmal. And I am talking from PDSC group and presenting a joke. The joke is, one day one teacher asked to student that, "Tell me the names of 12 fruits." And then one student say 1 dozen banana. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sri Ramesh Sakre. I am studying in 7th standard. My school name is Vaidyanath Vidyalaya Parari Vaidyanath. I am from PDC program. Teachers say, what is common between Ram, Krishna, Buddha and Gandhiji? Student answer. All are born on government holidays. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Samruddhi Ambekar. I am studying in class 9th and today I present one joke for our PDSC programs activity. So listen it carefully. Once a time there was a father and his child talking to each other. Then father said to his child, "Beta, if you fail in this exam, then don't say me father." After an exam, father asked his child, "Beta, what's the result?" Then child said, "Chandu, you lost your claim to saying father." Thank you.
Hello, my name is Aisha Kazi from Girvi district Satara. I am telling joke for PDSC program. Patient says, "Doctor, in my dreams, I play football every night." Doctor says, take this tablet, you will be okay." Patient says, "Can I take it tomorrow?" Tonight is final game. Thank you.
Hi all of you, I am Muskan Kushwahu, learning in PDSC classes, and now I will presenting a joke. Teacher, Pappu, tell me what is a line? Pappu, a dots that going for a walk. So teacher, so tell me what are the parallel lines? Pappu, a dots that's going for a walk with his friend. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Mrunmay Sachin Deshpande. I am telling a joke for PDSC class. Chintu asked his mother, "Amma, can I watch more TV?" Amma said, "Only if you don't turn it on."
Hello dear friends, my name is Vaishnavi Siddheshwar Lingre. I am from district Solapur and today I am telling a joke to you. A man walks into a shop and sees a cute little dog. He asks the shopkeeper, "Does your dog bite?" The shopkeeper says, "No, my dog does not bite." The man tries to pet the dog and the dog bites him. "Ouch!" He says, "I thought you said your dog does not bite." The shopkeeper replies, "This is not my dog."
Hello friends, I am Yashasri Gadge. I live in Aran from Solapur. I am learning in PDSC. Here I am presenting a joke. So listen carefully. Let's start. Teacher said, "Students, tell me a sentence that start with an I." Student said, "I is the..." Teacher said, Stop. Never put is after an I. Always put am after an I. Okay?" Student said, "Okay teacher." Then my sentence is, I am the 9th letter in alphabet. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanushree Bange. I am studying 8th standard and learning in PDSC. I have told to make a video and tell a joke, so for that purpose I am making this video. So today I am telling two jokes. So the first joke is the conversation between two friends. The one friend name is Rohan and the another's name is Mohan. So one day Rohan said to Mohan that, "My friend, I have found one thing. From that we can see what happening all around us." Mohan exclaimed, "What is that thing?" Rohan said, "That thing is window." So my another joke is the conversation between the father and the son. So father asked to the son, "Why did you get such low score in your exam?" The son answered, "Absence, dad." Father said, "You were absent on the day of the exam." The boy said, "No dad, I was present. The boy who sat next to me was absent that day." Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Arti Tukaram Gutte. I am from Beed district. I am learning in 8th standard. First of all, thank you PDSC for giving me this golden opportunity to telling my funny joke. Now I am presenting a funny joke. So let's get started. A person goes to doctor with his 5th-year son. Person say, Doctor, my son is swallowed a key, so we come to you. Doctor say, when he swallowed a key? Person say, 10 days back. Doctor say, and you are coming now after 10 days? Why? Person say, we have a duplicate key, but today it is lost. Definitely smile if you like this joke. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. My name is Asmita Engole. I am studying in 7th standard from Rani Lakshmi Vidyalaya. Today I will tell you some joke. So, my first joke. One boy talked with God. Boy, God, how long is million years? God, it's about me. It is just a minute. Boy, and $1,000,000? God, to me it's few. Boy, may I have a few? God, wait a minute. Thank you.
My name is Siddhi Vijay Deshmani from Satara. I would like to tell you a joke. Little Sam on his father's phone. He said, my son is having high fever and won't be able to come to school today. Teacher said, who is this? Little Sam said, this is my father speaking. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone. Myself Naneshwari Somnadoke and I telling you a joke. The joke is teacher and student. Teacher said, I try even numbers so many times, but it said switch off. So student said, yeah, it's my caller tune. Thank you.
I am Aryan Vandar, learning in PDSC. Today I am presenting a joke. Please listen carefully. Teacher said to Johnny, what is Microsoft Excel? Johnny said to teacher, a new branch of Surf Excel to clean the computer. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Vaishnavi Rahul Gauri and thank you for giving me this opportunity to telling jokes. A person goes to the doctor with his 5-year son. Person said, Doctor, my son has swallowed a key, so we came to you. Doctor said, when did he swallow a key? Then person said, 10 days back. Doctor said, and you are coming to me now? After 10 days? Why? Then person said, we had a duplicate key, but today it is lost. Thank you.
Hello, I am Yogita Dhananjay Agone from Girvi district Satara. I am presenting one joke for PDSC program. So listen. One day 25 monks were walking in the Himalayas. A news reporter asked them. Reporter spoke. Where are you all going? Sadhu spoke. To take samadhi. Reporter spoke. Why? Sadhu spoke. Every since WhatsApp comes, great sages have been born and now we have nothing in the world. They are all Sadhu spoke. Jai Ho WhatsApp Babat.
Hello everyone, myself Aditi Vilas Chavan and I am in 8th standard and also I am student of PDSC program and I like to participate in many activities of PDSC program. I like it very much. So one of those telling jokes. So thank you so much giving me this opportunity telling joke. So a man walks into a shop and he saw a cute little dog. Then he asked to shopkeeper, does your dog bite? Then shopkeeper says, no, my dog does not bite. Then the man tries to pet the dog. Then dog bite him and he asked to shopkeeper, I thought your dog does not bite. Then shopkeeper said, oh God, you was asking me about my dog and that is not my dog. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Arya Zogdan. I am telling you a joke. Conversation between police and kid. Police said, where do you live, kid? With my parents. Police, where do your parents live? Kid, with me. Police, where do you all live? Kid, together. Police, where is your house? Kid, next to my neighbor's house. Police came angry and said, "Where is your neighbor's house?" Kid, "If I tell you, you won't believe me." Police, "Tell me." Kid, "Next to my house." Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Tanvi Tanaji Nikam. My jokes. A son, I am not able to go school today. A father, what happened? A son, I am not feeling well. A father, where you are not feeling well? A son, in a school.
Namaste. My name is Aniket Ishni Murge. Today I am going to tell joke because of joke activity in PDSC class. Once upon a time, there were two friends. They were conversing between both. Then, in that conversation, Gopal asked, "Which one is closer, Moon or America?" Then Johnny said, "Moon." Gopal asked, "Why Moon is closer?" Johnny said, "We can see the moon, but we can't see the America." Then they both laughed on each other. Thank you. Bye.
Hello everyone, myself Harshali Shrikant Nagne. I am 9th standard in Late P.K. Shinde Madhyamik Vidyalay Pachora district Jalgaon. I am learning from PDSC and today I am telling you a joke in teacher and students. One day in classroom, teacher said to students, "Dear students, tomorrow there will be lecture on Pluto and Neptune, so everyone must attend it." One girl said to teacher, "Sorry sir, my mom wouldn't let me go so far." Some students began to laugh.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Gayatri Ramesh Jagtap. I am from Ranalakshmi Vidyalaya, Yavatmal. Today I would like to tell a joke. Tina said, "Why did you throw up your phone?" Then the Raju said, "Don't worry, Tina, the phone is in an aeroplane mode." Thank you.
Hello everyone and good evening. I am Akshara Lakshman Deshmukh from class 7th in PDSC from District B. I am here presenting a joke. Please listen carefully. Teacher says, "Why doctors wear a mask when they do an operation?" Student says, "For safety. If patient dies, other can't find who had done operation." Thank you.